The ego doesn't whisper. Shaitan cannot take control past a certain level. Beyond that, you have to open all the doors for him to enter. Do you understand me? So no, ego doesn't whisper to you. It takes control. How does it take control? You give control. Ego is saying, I'm going to hit this one. It's part of you. I want to hit this one. And you're saying, no, you shouldn't. Ego is saying, I'm going to take. And you say, no, you shouldn't. Ego is saying, I want to eat. I want to drink. I want to do this and that. When the time it is forbidden for you to do it, knowing that Allah and His Prophet, or your health, or it's not your right to do it, knowing what is right and wrong, you have to take control. Not only you don't listen to your ego, you don't give the reins, the steering wheel to the ego to do it. You understand?